You know, Marie Pereira is still with me, and of course, Mitra Ahouraian is joining me. Mitra, it's the first time you and I have been on together, so let's talk. Okay, all right. I have cross-examined a lot of expert witnesses, and I don't like to be petty. I would certainly go by the fact that she's not board certified. What does that mean? Does that mean no one has said that you're an expert but you? Could you come in here and talk about giving rectal examinations as a proctologist too, doctor? I mean, I would let the jury know in maybe snarky terms, no, in certain terms, that she's declaring her own self an expert forensic psychologist and she has no board certifications. What about you?
I think that's a really interesting, well, I think I'm on the screen, so that's probably me, but that's a really interesting point. And I think it's very valid and one of the most important things that you could really lean into, as opposed to really trying to lean into the bias, which we all know if you are hired by a plaintiff or a defendant, there is going to be an inherent bias. I don't think that you need to harp on that as much as they are.
Right, and any legal team who doesn't meet with the client, and many times you do over a dinner, or you will have a caterer bring in private location, I would suggest is guilty of malpractice. So I prefer to see them on the road of the board certification. Anyhow, we're going to take a quick break here, and when we come back, more on what's happening